Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host Alex Morin and I have the hottest, the spiciest product review for you today. But before I get into it, please subscribe to our channel. We're always bringing you unbelievable promotional product ideas and how to use them creatively. Today's particular video is all about Le Tour de Spice. And I think we should rename this company. We should rename them Le Tour de Force, because they are a creative force in this industry. They're always coming up with unbelievable ideas, and I was amazed by their latest one. And it revolves around holiday season. Holiday season is a time to reward people. Holiday season is a time to recognize people. And when we do that with something that's food related, we touch people's hearts. We bring in the families now and everyone's talking and warmth and the cheer is going around. And this idea here that I'm about to show you is all about making a hot and spicy apple cider. This particular sleeve can be decorated in any way you want. This one says, "'Tis the season to be naughty or nice." You can use their custom template and you can put your logo at the bottom. Easy, ready to go, right? Or you can customize the entire sleeve if you like. It's got raw cane sugar in it. It also has beautiful natural apple powder. You add a little bit of hot water and you've got yourself a spicy apple cider. Hey, isn't it perfect for those cold wintry nights? Isn't it great when you're with the family and you're doing a little ice skating? These are awesome and they're beautiful giveaways. But Le Tour de Spice didn't stop there. In fact, if you check out their website, letourdespice.com, you're going to find a variety of really incredible holiday ideas. One of my favorites is the Thanksgiving gift set. Now this set is a little unique. It's 3 vials that come in a beautiful customized box. One of those spices is poultry spice. So you're making turkey, right, for holiday season, for Thanksgiving, use the poultry spice. It also comes with a little bit of nutmeg for additional flavor, and of course, some pumpkin spice. Ooh, you can taste it, the pumpkin lattes as you're making your turkey. It's fun for the entire family. And just to get wildly creative, I came across a wild box that's called the Cinnamon Roll Cake Recipe Gift Box. Alex, tell me what's in it. Okay, I'm going to do that. It's also got nutmeg, but it also comes with Ceylon cinnamon and, wait for it, crushed candy cane. Incredible, right? It comes with a recipe that allows you to actually make this cinnamon roll candy cane concoction, and you can use it in a variety of different drinks, beverages, all kinds of desserts you happen to be making. But the point is that Le Tour de Spice is always thinking of how you can market to the season. Hey, if you wanted to add a little extra in and give somebody something with flavor, why not use one of their beautiful salt packages? These ones here are actually Habanero Salt, and that speaks to me because I love spicy. So you can get vials individually, you can have custom-made boxes done. They will always customize the logo for you. You can put inserts in there that speak to your audience. There's so many ways to use Le Tour de Spice's goods. I love this company. I just find them incredibly creative. So for all those reasons, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, like the video, and you know what? I'll see you soon on the next promo review video, but until then, let's keep making beautiful noise.